Hello wonderful people! I hope part 4 went well and your artwork is almost complete. At this point, you might want to explore a few tutorials from the last year edition of 30 Days of Digital Art and add any missing element to your piece, like, I don't know, grass, moss, dirt, fire, ice, water, all of those. I really hope you enjoy creating your own illustration this month, and I cannot wait to see what you guys came up with. So as usual, you can always share your art with me and the rest of the community on Instagram by using the hashtag #JVDesignStudio and by tagging me using @GenevieveDesignStudio. And with that, I'll see you very soon with even more design and illustration tutorials.